Yesterday, the NAR released its existing home sales report, and I kind of threw in one of the Inman headlines that went along with it. Yes, we did see an increase in month-over-month transactions. That is definitely exciting to see some more sales happening. It raised our annualized, it's seasonally adjusted annualized rate to 3.95 million. That's up from, I think it was 3.89 million. The long-term average is 5 million units a year, or 5 million sales a year. And so we're still running like 20% below the long-term average. Everything is still very muted. All of that is the affordability and the pricing or the interest rates that we've been talking about. But it's just, this is what's happening. This is what's making a lot of headlines right now. And some places are saying, hey, look, transactions are up. And others are saying, hey, it's still sluggish. So your consumers are going to have lots of questions of, what does this mean? Why am I seeing, two sides of the story? And it really is, we are in a low demand, low velocity market still, and hoping that if these rates come down, we will see an increase in transaction units. It's going to take a little bit. Right now, our prices are holding strong. I mean, it shows year over year, we're up 4.2%. Month over month, we're up about 1%. There's some consensus that we might be a little flatter by the end of the year, just due to the lack of intensity out there by the buyers. And sellers have so much equity. A lot of them will say, yeah, I'm not going to sell then. If I'm not going to get what I want, I don't need to sell, or I'm going to, kind of keep it. So we're not looking at any distressed environment or anything like that. We're just looking at kind of some flatter prices, which, if our interest rates come down, our prices kind of flatten out, that should in and of itself stimulate more transactions from the buyers, because they're not freaked out by prices skyrocketing.